photographers, it's Michelle. In today's video, I'm sharing a behind the scenes vlog of our most recent senior model team shoot, which was a studio shoot with a New Year's Eve theme, which was a lot of fun. So I kind of let the girls do a vlog takeover when I'm doing these shoots with them. So I'm going to share some of the behind the scenes that they got, as well as of course some final images, the settings I used, and then just to explain the lighting setup that I did. I just did a one light setup. So I just had one big main light for a key light, and that's largely because since I was doing a New Year's Eve theme, I kind of wanted a more Polaroid type effect to it, so I wanted more contrast, but of course still fitting in with the way that I photograph in my style. And then it also was a big, large, sweep white backdrop, so it did help bounce some light in naturally. So I didn't need to use reflectors, background light, hair light, all those things for this style of shoot. So it was really fun. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you enjoy the vlog, and I hope you all have a very safe and fun New Year's.
Oh, she looks so good. You can't make it do all the things. Yeah, cute. And then a little straight so you can see your scarf. Yeah. Woo, our girls. I'm going on the other side. Okay, ready? That is so cute. Anyone want to pose in it real quick? This is Melody. Give us a fit check. Where'd you get your outfit?
My dress is from Jessica and my shoes are from DSW.
Yeah, cute.
Just into my feet.
Fit check. Where'd you get?
Amazon.
Yeah, so cute. And Ray?
American Eagle, Old Navy, Converse, Forever 21. I got this from my stepmom's closet. I got this also from my stepmom's closet.
How do you zoom in on this thing?
From my stepmom's closet.
Shout out to our stepmom.
Shout out to Suri.
It's for you, Michelle.
My Starbucks order is a venti iced sugar cookie almond milk latte, but instead of almond milk, it's oat milk and 2 pumps of vanilla.
Perfect.
My Starbucks order is a venti strawberry acai refresher. I add strawberry puree, I add peach juice, and I have no strawberries.
Okay, give us your Starbucks order.
Or that.
My Starbucks order is a peach drink with no berries and sweet cocoa.
How cute.
So fun.
cute.
Oh, that was so pretty.
Yeah, that's cute. Let's do.
So pretty. Julie, say hi.
Oh, I love that. Okay.
Oh.
Who wants to hang in there next? I want a few more. Yeah, there's a few more in that bag if you want to pick up.
This is like an actual vlog camera.
Oh my god. That is so cool.
Oh yeah.
I'm like gathering the glitter.
Yeah. Yeah. One more time.